Right, here we go, video number 1, or video number 2 really, because number 1 was our warm-up. Here we're not working with our 8 extraordinary meridians, we are just going to warm up the body, and we're going to start off with our dantian. We talk about our dantian quite a lot. This is our energy center. We've got 3 dantians. We've got our lower dantian, middle dantian, and the upper dantian. We are working on this one, which that will activate. This dantian will activate the energy in our whole body. So to find that dantian, we could just put our thumbs into our belly button, and we're just going to relax the hands down, and then we're going to bring the thumbs down. So we just want to activate the center. So we're going to be standing nice and relaxed, being aware of our posture. Our feet are solidly on the ground, placing the hands onto the dantian, shoulders are relaxed, and we're just going to circulate this dantian. We're just going to draw some gentle circles around our lower belly, and we breathe. So we're going to continue with that nice deep breathing and very gently activating the dantian. We also call it the cinnabar field or the sea of chi, our energy. You can close your eyes here if you wish. We're going in one direction at the moment. It doesn't matter in this exercise which way you're going first, which direction you're going first. You just want to activate the dantian. I sometimes imagine I've got this like a piece of coal sitting in the middle of my belly, and it's still quite cold. It's a little glimpse, a little sparkle on it, and as we are rotating, we're going to get it warmer and warmer. Closing the eyes so we can go a little bit faster. We're also balancing the body, balancing our digestive system, starting to engage some muscles, breathing deeply, and we go a little bit faster, and you can put a little bit more pressure onto the dantian, feeling it getting warmer. Deep breath in and out. So we go a little bit faster, and then we're going to slow it right down, and we go the other way. Deep breath in and out. Go faster again, and a little bit faster. Breathing deeply, go a little bit faster, and then we're going to slow right down, and we're just going to feel our lower belly. It might feel nice and warm now. And then we take a deep breath in, and we're going to take that energy now, we just activate it in front of our chest. I'm going to hold it here. Here we're going to expand the energy, so we're still not working with our extraordinary meridians. We're just creating some space for them to flow. You can sometimes imagine that your body is like an old balloon we find in a drawer, and we try and blow it up and we can't get any air in. And by stretching it a little bit and warming it up or rubbing it a little bit, it gets very soft and we can easily blow the balloon up. And that's kind of what happens in our body too. So we want to stretch the body and clear space for our 8 extraordinary meridians to work. Right, we're going to bring, taking the feet a little bit closer. So we're going to bring that energy in front of our chest, in front of our heart. We take a deep breath in, and then we breathe out. We push the palms out, and then we look from one hand to the other. It doesn't matter where we go first. And then we breathe in, sinking down a little, taking the legs as well. Breathing out, we push, stretching our arms, looking from one side to the other, and we take a deep breath in. And then we breathe out, looking from one hand to the other. We breathe in, taking one hand to the top, one at the bottom. Then we stretch up, and as we stretch up, we look up. Gentle stretch, and then we look down and we take a deep breath in, sinking down again into the legs. We breathe out as we are expanding the energy out, and we breathe in, breathing out, looking up, looking down. Deep breath in, and then we're going to change, bring the other hand to the top. We breathe out as we are expanding that energy out. looking down, taking a deep breath in, breathing out, up and down, breathing in. One more time, we breathe out and we breathe in. Bringing the hands in front of the center. We're going to gently turn to one side and we stretch one hand back, looking at the back hand. Then we look at the front hand and we come back to the center. And again, we breathe out as we're expanding the energy out. Looking to the back, to the front, coming back to the center. And again, we're going to stretch, looking at the back, to the front, to the center, and then we go to the other side. We're going to stretch back, and again, breathing out as we expand, breathing in, breathing out. We breathe in, and we're going to bring the hands down. And in the next video, we're going to start working on the first few meridians.